Song number 17, Farmer Dave. In Farmer Dave's song, you have a quarter note followed by 2 quarter rests, then a quarter note on the 4th beat, and then a quarter note on the 1st beat of the 2nd bar. So make sure we are stopping our bows for the quarter rest and that we are playing on the 1st beat of each bar. I'm going to put my metronome on to give us the tempo. So this is 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna first count and clap this piece. Here we go after 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you are clapping, that's when you're playing the open D or the open A string, right? Either on a down bow or an up bow. When I'm going like this, that's when you're stopping the bow, it's a rest. You're not playing the violin, but it's still a beat. All the quarter notes here in bar 1, 2, 3 are on beat 1 and 4. See, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. All the quarter note rests are on beat 2 and 3. Okay, so I'm going to turn the metronome back on. So let's get into playing position with my thumb between the neck and the body of the violin. Fingers here. Get my bow hold ready. And here I go. I'm going to place my frog, the bow part of the frog, on my D string, and after 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, up, down, 2, 3, up, down, 2, 3, up, down, up, down. Rest. One more time. Down, rest, rest. D string, A string, rest, rest, A string, D string, rest, rest, A string, D, rest. Make sure when you're resting, you're not putting a violin down. You are still in playing position because the rests are an essential part of the music. So you are still counting the beat, all total of 4 beats per 1 bar. We will continue the string crossing and counting the notes in class. Thank you.